Hot and Spicy draws for your lead. Boss Jaden, Be Humble down on the inside. Is standing out second last and is Spinning Ridge. As they make the first corner, we have Hot and Spicy leading the field by our line carry-up. Be Humble moving a party outside is Spinning Ridge. Then running alongside is standing out. Next in line is Boss Jaden as they wheel towards the 900. Hot and Spicy still leading the field. Is Spinning Ridge remains in second. Be Humble is racing in third. Is standing now is sorry outside. Boss Jaden is still running at the tail of the field as they move towards the half mile pole. It's Hot and Spicy back to a length and a half lead over Spinning Ridge. Be Humble now trying to unwind up down on the inside. Then followed by East Tanino and Boss Jaden rounding towards the 450. It's still Hot and Spicy leading the field. Is Spinning Ridge throwing a challenge on the outside. Be Humble down on the inside third as they race for home. It's still Hot and Spicy leading the field. Is Spinning Ridge. Be Humble finds some opening down on the inside and down the stretch they come. Hot and Spicy still leading the field. Is Spinning Ridge is on the outside. Be Humble is by the rail with 150 to go. Mark Alvarez on Hot and Spicy refuses to surrender. Moving up is Tanino and finally Hot and Spicy makes this one over Tanino. Then comes Spinning Ridge. Be Humble and Boss Jaden.